Hi, hello everyone. I am Jerilyn Giral from Philippines. First of all, I would like to thank God for everything He has done in my life and my family. Secondly, thank you, Pastor John Glendining, Pastor Guy Gilbert, and to all my sponsors for sharing me your blessings. This Trio bike helps me a lot going through all my schedules and visitations and outreaches. And so sorry, pardon me for not buying a single motorbike, because when I prayed to God, He guided me and directed me to buy the Trio bike than motorbike, because single bike, it's only me can benefit. But I thank God for this Trio bike He sent me through you, that all my members after church I can send them home, and they can join me also ride wherever I go to my outreaches. They go with me because Trio bike can ride 5 persons. And Pastor Guy, Pastor John, God is so amazing. We are not related in blood, but I know that we are one in God's love. Thank you for your compassion, that you look out Filipino pastors like us. And thank you, Lord, for having you as one of our sponsors for extending the ministry of God here in Philippines. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. From the bottom of my heart, I really thank you. I really thank you so much. And God will repay you unimmeasurable blessings and manifold blessings that come upon you and your family. Thank you so much, and praying that God will continue to bless you all there. Pastor John, Pastor Guy, and my sponsors. God will bless you all. Shalom, everyone, and have a nice day. Hello, Sir John, Sir Guy. Thank you for blessing me this Trio bike. I am the one driving, and together with my daughter. Thank you so much. And to all my sponsors, I really appreciate. Alright. Down time. Inak makita ka na sa balay. Balik-balik mo lang. Sige, ito po yung nawaya. Gamay.